Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Nikola stock surged 19% on Wednesday. The stock price continued to fall from September 17th to 26th, but then stopped falling at $4.1 and rebounded strongly, reflecting that long capital had intervened in the stock very early, which is also the driving force behind the surge in the stock price. The stock's trading volume increased significantly on October 2nd, and the stock price rose to $5.90 during the day before retreating sharply. Has the long capital that drove the stock's rise exited the market? Is the stock price about to reverse? I don't think so. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. The data shows that a large amount of capital has flowed into the stock in the past 3 trading days. The stock's trading volume on October 2nd was significantly higher than the previous 2 trading days, but the net capital inflow on that day was not much higher than the previous 2 trading days, which shows that the funds flowing into and out of the market on that day increased significantly, but the funds flowing into the market were still much higher than the funds flowing out, and this is not a reverse data. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that when the stock price fell sharply from September 25th to 26th, it seemed that long capital entered the market to take over the chips. The stock price rose strongly in the morning trading on September 27th, accompanied by a large trading volume, indicating that long capital began to start a bull market. The trading volume generated by the stock on October 2nd was relatively evenly distributed. The stock price had 2 waves of significant rises in the morning trading of that day, accompanied by a large trading volume. After the stock price rose and retreated in the afternoon trading, the signal of longs maintaining the stock price was also very obvious, which shows that the market does not want the stock price to fall. In other words, the long capital that pushed the stock price up has not completely withdrawn from the market. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. When the stock rose sharply on October 2nd, the bottom profit capital and the previously locked-in capital sold a lot, resulting in a significant increase in the trading volume of that day. But this does not mean that the stock's rise has ended, because the stock seems to have a large amount of long capital involved again on October 2nd, but the main battlefield of the stock has indeed moved up significantly, and the bulls and bears will face off in the $5 to $5.40 area next. As mentioned earlier, a lot of capital has flowed into the stock in the past 3 days, so it is not so easy for the bears to significantly lower the stock price. I think the bulls who take over at high levels may beat the bears again in the $5 to $5.40 area and push the stock price up to $6 or more. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for Nikola stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.